Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of April 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for the month of April. I've already pulled out the Oracle cards and I will be adding tarot on cam by shuffling and pulling out the cards on cam. Just to save time, I pulled out the Oracle cards already. I will be adding charms as well in this reading, so stay tuned and before we dive into the reading, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is coming for Capricorns in the month of April 2021. I could see the Two of Swords card, and maybe for some of you, you have to make certain decisions, and you know that you have to, but maybe you are running away from it. Maybe you are ignoring it or trying to escape that decision. It can be in love, it can be in work, it can be in home life situation. But yes, I see that there are certain decisions that you have to make. So make sure you make them as soon as possible. Why? Because when you don't take the decisions on the right time, what happens is we always tend to make the wrong decisions in the last very moment. So because maybe we feel like, oh my God, what's going to happen next and stuff like that, depending on what area it applies to. So make sure you think, but don't overthink around that decision, whatever it is that you have to make. Some decisions have to be made in the month of April, so make sure you make them with positive mindset. So let's begin. Let's see what is coming up for Capricorns in the month of April. Let's begin. Queen of Wands. Let's see more cards first. The World. Big changes are coming up for you in the month of April for sure. Let's see the remaining cards first. Queen of Wands, the World, Nine of Cups, Four of Wands. Beautiful energies coming up for you in the month of April. I feel like, for a majority of you, as you enter into the month of April, you already have either made a decision or you are about to make a decision. Maybe it's going to happen today or maybe it's going to happen tomorrow. But yes, I feel like, there is some sort of a decision that you have to make. If you are choosing a person or a job that is coming from a distant land, trust me, that is going to be the game changer, life changing moment for you. I do see abundance. I do see magical new beginnings, which are going to be filled with a lot of happiness, abundance, success, and everything that you can ask for. It's very important if you have an opportunity coming up regarding love, work, home life, anything that has to do with distant land. It's going to bring you a lot of happiness for majority of you. Since it's a general reading, the energies could be otherwise for some of you out there, but with these energies, I feel like, whatever it is that you're choosing to start new, the decision that's going to be, that's going to be something on your mind that you have to take around this time as you enter into the month of April. That decision has the potential of bringing you the big changes in your life, which are definitely going to be for better and for the best for the two of you, or for you if it's all about you. So I feel like, for some of you, definitely you have to take that decision, and that decision is going to be determining your future, whether it be you getting all that you want, or whether you don't take the decision and keep yourself where you are right now. I feel like, it has to do something with you following your passion. This one decision that you have to make is going to bring you your passion a new dimension, and it's going to bring you all that you wanted ever. It could be something to do with the distant land. Like, maybe you have to travel, maybe you have to accept a job offer coming from a distant land, maybe you have to accept a love offer coming from a distant land, but whatever that is, it's definitely taking you towards abundance. Let's see more cards here. Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Two of Cups. On the deck, we do have the Empress. Wow, beautiful energies. I don't see that why you would not be taking that decision of accepting this one thing coming up for you. Whatever it is, I feel like, major big changes happening for you in your life in the month of April. It's going to be a game changing month for you, life changing month for you. It's going to be very significant month, to be very honest. There are certain things that you have been working towards, and those things are now getting you the fruit of your labor. If there has been a passion that you are pursuing, you are going to get immense success in that one passion that you have for something, your business, work, career, love, whatever it is. There has been things happening in your life which was basically preparing you to be here where you are getting in the month of April. It's going to be abundant month for you. Everybody out there, I feel like, no matter if it applies to your love life, work life, career life, or about your love life or a specific relationship, specific someone, it seems like the universe has been preparing you for this new beginning, this new abundance that you are getting into in the month of April. Even if it's a love thing happening, even if it's a person coming in your life, the universe has been preparing you. Whatever has been happening in your love life earlier, the universe has suppose, let me put it this way: if a relationship didn't work for you in the past, it all happened because this is something beautiful the universe has brought you in the month of April. And if you had accepted the past person, you wouldn't be getting this new beautiful opportunity. So I feel like, somehow you are going to understand that whatever that didn't work well for you in the past was because this was destined to happen for you. So I do see abundance, abundance, abundance in the month of April for the Capricorns. Hold on. So let's see more cards here. Wow. There is a lot of divine support coming in as well, especially when it comes to you getting whatever you have been waiting and working towards, be that in love, work, home life situation. um you might have been hurt in the past a lot, be that in maybe in terms of you struggling with every area of your life, or you struggling with your love life, you struggling with you know your specific someone. Whatever has been the case, I feel like all is now settling down. Let's see more cards here. If there has been things happening in your life where you felt like, I have been putting my effort and I have never got the recognition, be that in love or any other area of your life, you maybe that made you leave a specific someone, maybe that made you leave a specific job. You are going to understand why that happened. Like, why did that happen at first place to you, even though you were doing everything good, but still you never got that. You will understand all of it in the month of April, because you're going to get all that you could ask for. Maybe that relationship, that person, that job was not meant for you. You're going to realize it all in the month of April as you meet the perfect one for you, be that in love, work, home life situation. I do see blessings, blessings, blessings coming up for you in the month of April. Let me pull some specific cards for your love life. Let's see what is happening in your love life in the month of April, because I feel like it's going to be different for different people, but I do see abundance, abundance, and abundance only. Let's see what is coming up for you in your love life. Whether you have been single, whether you have been in a relationship, whether you have been dealing with a specific someone, let's find out what is coming up for you in your love life in the month of April. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wow. It seems like if there has been a third party situation in your love life, it doesn't have to be another person, it can be. If there has been some ending in the love area of your life in the past, I feel like you are going to meet your soulmate in the month of April. If the soulmate is from the past who might have hurt you, maybe you have been in a twin flame journey with that person. If there has been a person who left you in the past, they would be coming back to you in the month of April with the communication, with the growth to offer. They are definitely going to make you question their motives at first, but they are not going to disappoint you this time around. But maybe you are not going to take that decision of accepting them there and then. you are going to test them. And before you do that, you are not going to make any decision. I do see whoever that is coming up for you in your love life, be that a past person or be that a new person, there is a lot of possibility of happiness in that particular situation, in that particular relationship offer that is coming your way. Like I said in the very beginning, maybe the decision that you have to make is something to do with your love life situation that you would be getting into. Maybe it's a past person who's going to come back into your life, and if it is like a past person coming in your life again, maybe now they are prepared to offer you what you wanted in the past. So just know one thing: beautiful times are definitely coming for you in your life. I don't think like even if it's a past person coming back or even if it's a new person coming in, I don't see a single card that signifies that it is going to be wrong for you. But having said that, since it's a general reading, I would suggest you to if you get an offer, maybe you should get a question read from me, from anybody else, just to make sure that this is the one or not. Or this the one that's gonna get you your wishes fulfilled or not. But for majority of you who can match this energy, for who the love life never worked before, for who the work life never worked before, if you could sense this beautiful energy coming up for you in your life, trust me, you are going to be if you have to make a decision, love, work, home life situation, in the very beginning of the month, or you are entering in the month of April with the decision around something, I feel like this abundance is for everybody out there. So, but yes, before you take any major decision, don't take decision based on the general reads. Always choose to get a personal read for yourself, because for some of you the outcome could be different. For some of you the outcome could be exactly how I am picking up, because it's going to be different Capricorns dealing with different areas of their life. For some of you, you would be okay to accept a past person. For others of you, you are saying no to that person. But I feel like new person, past person. Let me see. Hold on. Let's take one card for the new and the past person. One card for the new person, one card for the past person. Let's see. It's going to be a new beginning, be that a past person or a new person. You are definitely walking towards a smoother and the calmer water. Like the bad, the worst is over. Now, even if a past person is coming in, it's gonna be like a new beginning between the two of you. It's not gonna be like okay, you are gonna keep the past in that situation ever. It's gonna be a complete new beginning, because you and this person have changed. If it's a new person, then too you are mentally, physically, emotionally prepared to get on the new journey with your new person. So let's see the oracle cards now. Let's see what they have to add to the reading for you guys. This could be your life partner. The person that you are having in your life in the month of April could be the one for you. Kisses and hugs and love. There's a lot of love coming in your life for sure. Daydream and act. It's very important for you to act upon your dreams, like take some actions towards it. Happy changes are in near future for Capricorns out there. Let's see more cards here. Growth. Seek out a mentor or a guide. Take baby steps as you grow. Be willing to learn more from others. I do see you having a lot of growth in the month of April, which is very evident in the cards. But yes, if you need and seek any help, always go for that. Don't hesitate to ask from the universe if you need guidance, support. And always take actions towards what you desire. Like I said, there is one decision that needs to be made, and that's going to change your life forever. So then we do have faith and hope, because there is something positive and new on the horizon that you can't yet see. For some of you, you can't see it right now, what I'm talking about here. But as you enter into the month of April, and as you take that one decision, you will start seeing. For some of you, a past person and a new person both will be coming in your life at the same time. Impatience. Try not to get impatient around anything in your life, because like I said, whatever you have been working towards, the universe is definitely getting you the reward for it. Be that in love, work, home life situation. So just go easy around it. You can follow your instinct. Like don't take too much time overthinking about things. If you feel like going for a decision, go for it. Tangerine, be spontaneous and have fun. I feel like the more spontaneous decisions and actions you take in the month of April, the good they will be. So just follow that. Have patience. Love is patient and kind always. I feel like, there could be a past person coming in your life who, or maybe your patience around, whatever it is that you're desiring in the month of, or in whatever area you have been, like, desiring something and you have been working towards, like, it patiently. I do see your patience is going to get rewarded in the month of April. Now, for some of you, really have to work on impatience. Try to become patient around things. But there's a huge difference between being patient and being very, um, it's there are things that needs to be dealt there and then. There are things that needs to be dealt with patience. So no, there is a huge difference between both the things. Like, for some areas of your life, like, if you have a beautiful opportunity coming up for you, you cannot, like, choose to wait on it and see and, delay things and stuff like that. You have to take spontaneous action towards it, decision around it. Then there could be certain things where you have to be patient rather than saying, if, especially if a past person is coming in, rather than taking, a decision, no, I don't want that person again in my life, and this and that and this and that. It's better to just see for yourself, be patient around it, and just see for yourself. If this person is worthy of it, go for it. If this person is not worthy of it, don't do that. Just take your time. There are some things in life where we need to take our time to decide, and then there are certain things in our life that needs to be made, instant, where we need to make some instant decisions. So just know there's, like, where you have to go, spontaneously follow your intuition there, and where you have to let things, just have their time to mature up so you could decide the right way. Let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms have to add to the reading for the Capricorns. Wow, so we do have lots of cards here. Things are changing. Ta-da! Okay, we do have two alphabets, H and a Y. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. Okay. New beginning, new beginning, new beginning. For some of you, you might not be able to see what is coming up, what is happening here in your life, but eventually you will get to know. Follow your passion. Things are moving forward in the right direction. Don't hold yourself back. Take the decisions if you have to take, because all the decisions that you are taking in this month, I feel like, it's going to lead you towards what you have asked for. Things are changing beautifully. Things are evolving in your life. Don't stop yourself feeling, don't take any decision based on the past. Just know that something beautiful is coming your way, and even if a past person or past situation, come in, just deal with it with a different mindset. You will be happy and surprised to see where it leads you. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonated with you, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. So, yep, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye-bye.